Kani gadega Patisi TV.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma ke Jingkhang bikin pathai kubor kendai trek mentau benai rempang ulang bak sarkar kan sala ban penbej ekijing ke bakhang lat panwan karel sedo kanong ba Shillong ha ka baula ai nuksaru ekijing mento jong kipat ba ling ba jingwan jong karel harilom garu Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong habai dei ba jingtmu pensional intirel na titilia sabernihan ladap pansim jaka baladap penbej ru ekilinti ya perkabasa kalong satang mensenano ka jinglut pensional intirel hak jingjangai ka ba arpo point san kilometer la antan ban pelut kumba sauspa kendai phun riu klor tingka bat ka jinglut masna na bernihat sedu Shillong kan kot syaka sanajar laispa pra klor tingka hak jingjangai ka banlong sispa pra kilometer.
Once again want to see that I think our commitment and focus is already there. There are some challenges. Whenever you try to do something new, there will be challenges. But the most important thing is the intent, the commitment level, based on which we dismantle the obstacles, we dismantle the barriers to ensure that the objective is achieved. We fructify our, purpose. The comprehensive measure, once put in place, is capable of dealing with the situation. And besides these measures also, we already have many other existing laws which empower and which actually equip our people with the right kind of wherewithal to deal with the challenges of illegal immigration and influx. This railway connectivity to Shillong can be a game changer. Can be a game changer in our pursuit to promote the state as the most favored destination. Railway line need not be used only to bring, as a passenger train for enabling the commuters who will be just coming in search of opportunities in Meghalaya. Okay. Because what happens when people search for opportunities? They migrate. Okay. Meghalaya should be seen as a destination for tourists. They come and go. And therefore, the railway connectivity can be actually taken advantage to promote high-end tourism. You have heard about Palace on Wheels, and there can be something more which is exclusive as a product for Meghalaya, and we would like to take advantage of this railway connectivity.
Kani gadega Patisi TV.